I'm going to talk about the value of partnering with third-party websites. I'm working in a small biotech company, and I'm heading the rare disease business unit. And we are facing this kind of challenge on a daily basis. First, I would like to share with you some interesting information that come from a market research which has been conducted at the end of last year among physicians and pharmaceutical professionals. So what you can see here is that when asking what brings value to the doctors, 79% of them find independent medical websites of value, as opposed to 54% for pharma educational websites. And looking a little bit closer, less than a quarter of the doctors find pharma websites of value. So, what does the pharma industry do? Well, the pharma industry still invests massively in owned websites. You can see here, according to this interview, most of the funding actually goes to brand websites or pharma-owned medical education websites, and still very little go to social media. So that's something that we should learn from you guys at Thermo, probably. So then the question is, what should we do? Do we need to partner with a third-party website, or do we do our own website? Well, there is one golden rule, which is to fish where the fishes are. So what way would make you choose to partner with a third-party website or to develop your own website? Well, it depends first if you want to access to an already existing audience, which a third-party website can offer to you. You can also leverage the data and leverage the third-party website. I'm looking for my words. Community, the serious of these third-party websites, and it is less costly at the beginning, and it is also of value if you operate in a very crowded and mature environment. As opposed to third-party websites, the value of developing your own website allows you to build your own audience by leveraging search engine optimization. It is also much less expensive over the long term, and it's particularly good if you operate in a nascent environment where there are very, very little med-ed websites existing out there, which is the case in rare diseases, for instance. So what I would like to also to, one last point is to explain why we chose to partner with a third-party website. We were selling drugs in prostate cancer. And prostate cancer is the most frequent cancer in man. And this is the type of disease which is diagnosed by GPs and followed by urologists and oncologists. And therefore, to us, it was more appropriate to work with a company called EPG Online, which is one of the European most renowned independent medical education website. Here you just see how this prostate cancer learning hub was built. It was a completely arm's-length project that we built with this company. And the interest and the beauty is that we could provide to the med-ed website our content, the content that we as a pharma company generated, as long as the content was fair and well-balanced. But it was up to the medical education website editor to pick and choose the right information coming from us and to decide on posting the information, the videos. As you can see here, there is a small video about the mechanism of action, and to decide to put this information on the website or not. So in a way, we were able to push some content into this independent MEDED website. So what was the result in practice? Well, after 3 months, only 3 months, we have more than 3,500 logged in sessions for more than 1,000 users. And there were 8 pages per session viewed by the GPs, 11 pages viewed by the specialists, with more than 6.5 minutes spent by specialists on this website, and with a quite decent repeat visit rate. Interestingly enough, this was quite cost effective because the cost per contact was only €5. So now if you do have the experience of the cost of developing your own website, you see that it is very cost effective. Thank you very much.